Here's a quick tutorial to show you how to collect lead wipe samples at your shooting range. Start out by donning a clean pair of powder-free gloves. Then open your ghost wipe and remove it from its packaging. Inspect the ghost wipe to ensure it's fully wetted and not contaminated. Discard the wipe if found to be too dry or contaminated. Be sure to completely unwrap the ghost wipe. Afterwards, fold in half once. Then fold in half a second time, ensuring that multiple fingers are between the folded wipe. Wipe the selected surface up and down in an overlapping end pattern while applying pressure with your fingertips. Wipe the surface so that the entire selected area is covered. Be sure to use your fingers and not the palm of your hand. Fold the wipe in half with the dirty side folded inward and repeat the wiping within the selected area using a side-to-side overlapping Z pattern, perpendicular to the first wiping. Fold the wipe in half again with the dirty side folded inward and repeat the wiping one more time. Concentrate on collecting settled dust from the edges and corners within the selected surface area. Fold the wipe in half one last time with the dirty side folded inward and then insert it into the sampling container. Discard your gloves, wipe packaging, and template. Don't forget to label your sampling container and record the sample number on the chain of custody form.